Hello, my dear student. Today we will complete the poem Frogs at School, written by George Cooper from the book New Broadway, Class 2. Literature Reader. Here are some new words that will help you while explaining the poem. This poem tells the story of 20 young frogs who are going to school. Let's see how disciplined and well mannered the frogs are. So let's start. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushy pool. Beside mean next to or nearby. Rushy is called that is covered with rushes or plants. And pool means a small body of water, or we can say a small river or a small pond. So there was a school that was near a pond that was filled with plants. In that school, some students used to read. And you know who are the students? Froggies. And total they are in number 20. So all these 20 froggies as a student, they went to this school that was near a pond. एक समय की बात है, एक स्कूल था जो कि एक छोटे से तालाब के पास था. वो तालाब बहुत सारे प्लांट्स पेड़ पौधों से भरा हुआ था. उस स्कूल में कुछ बच्चे पढ़ते थे और वो बच्चे पता है कौन थे? मेंढक. और वो सारे मेंढक नंबर में 20 थे, यानी कि 20 मेंढक उस स्कूल में गए. 20 little coats of green, 20 waist, all white and clean. Coats are the blazer that we used to wear as a winter uniform, and waist means a thin cotton undershirt. All the froggies were going to the school in absolute clean uniform. They were wearing white shirt and green color coat. तो जितने भी 20 मेंढक थे जो स्कूल गए, उन्होंने बहुत साफ़ सुथरी सी यूनिफॉर्म पहन रखी थी, स्कूल की ड्रेस पहन रखी थी. उनकी यूनिफॉर्म सफ़ेद रंग की शर्ट और हरे रंग का कोट था और सभी ने यही यूनिफॉर्म पहन रखी थी. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. Study means to learn what your teacher is teaching you. So all the froggies decided that first they would complete their learning of all the subject by sitting in the class, and when the study would be completed, only then they would go out to play something outside. As we can see in this picture that they are playing right now football and they have already completed their learning. So सारे मेंढकों ने ये निश्चय किया कि पहले हम अपनी पढ़ाई ख़त्म करेंगे. जितने भी हमारे विषय हैं, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, ड्राइंग, जो भी विषय हैं, पहले हम उनकी पढ़ाई ख़त्म करेंगे, क्लास का काम ख़त्म करेंगे, उसके बाद ही हम बाहर कुछ खेलने जाएंगे. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Rule means some guidelines, some instruction that we are supposed to follow. So in school, there are some guidelines that you are supposed to follow, and the froggies were absolutely following the guideline of first completing the study of all the subject and then going out to play. And every day they were following this guideline. So definitely we can say that the froggies were disciplined and well-mannered and obeyed. सारे मेंढक कहते हैं कि स्कूल के जो भी नियम हैं हम वो सब मानते हैं. स्कूल का नियम है कि पहले आप पढ़ाई करोगे और उसके बाद बाहर खेलने जाओगे. और मेंढक ये नियम बहुत अच्छे से मान रहे थे और रोज़ जब भी वो स्कूल जाते थे, पहले वो अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करते थे और उसके बाद ही बाहर खेलने जाते थे. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि सारे मेंढक बहुत अनुशासित थे और अपने टीचर की बात मानते थे. Here the poem ends. The poem tells the importance of time management, learning and following rules. Exactly the froggies were doing all these things. Same as we should also reach school on time, we should be attentive towards our learning, and we should follow all the rules told by our teacher. तो यहाँ पर ये कविता ख़त्म होती है। इस कविता से हमने जाना कि कैसे हमारा समय का महत्व होता है। हमको स्कूल में जो सीखने को मिलता है हमको अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहिए और हमको सारी बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए मानना और सुनना चाहिए। Now, moral of the poem. We should be punctual, hard worker, and should learn practical skills. Means we should respect the time, we should work very hard in our studies, and we should learn other curricular activities like sports, drawing, music, besides the studies. इस कविता से हमने क्या सीखा कि हमको समय की कद्र करनी चाहिए, खूब मेहनत से पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए और पढ़ाई के अलावा और चीज़ों को भी सीखना चाहिए, जैसे कि संगीत, कला और खेलकूद। Now try to explain the poem yourself and best of luck. We will meet with the other chapter next time.